Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlink a social login from your Wise account. First thing I want you to do is log into your Wise account and then come to the top right and click on your profile icon or your name. Then you get this drop down. From here I want you to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be redirected to this page, and here you can see connected accounts. I want you to just go ahead and click on connected accounts and you'll see all your social logins. So in my case, we have Google. So we'll come here and we'll click on disconnect right next to Google. And then we'll click here on disconnect again. So we're disconnecting Google from our account. You'll not be able to log in to your Wise account using Google after this. So just click on disconnect, be sure about this, and then as you can see, successfully disconnected Google, and then you can go ahead and reset your password if you need to. You'll need to use your email address and password to log in the next time, okay? And that is how you go about it. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.